Go ahead and grab one round. Just going to put it in one of the holes. And then just turn this clockwise. There you go. Until you see the next hole, put the next one in. Just close it. Now just make sure that cylinder is locked into place. There you go. All right. And go ahead and get a grip on it.
Remember, you pull it back.
Oh, just get a good grip on it first. There you go, just like that.
Take your time. Pull it back. Slowly, that's it. Aim. Take your time. Pull it back, take your time, there's no rush. Pull it back, take your time. Look straight down and keep the sights in line. And again.